I'm Dr. Sharon Saline, author of What Your ADHD Child Wishes You Knew, working together to empower kids for success in school and life. For almost 30 years, I've been working with children, teens, college-age adults, and their families who are living with ADHD. I've helped them argue less and connect more.
We want to, what I call, step up to the platform. You want to stand at the platform, look out at the valley, and see where you want to go, and make a plan for how you're going to traverse.
The frontal lobes are the directive capacities of the brain. They're like the film director. They tell different parts of the brain when to cue in and do their part.
My 5 C's approach: self-control, compassion, collaboration, consistency, and celebration will teach you positive, strength-based ways to do more of what works. So the important thing, of course, is that you give them a direction for one thing at a time. And you're going to put a hand on their shoulder and make sure you have eye contact. What I like to say is your eyes on my eyes. Join me, build closer, calmer relationships, and feel better about yourself too.
Why can't you just sit still for 5 minutes? I need a break.